Hello student, today we will discuss about chapter 11 class 4 comparison of adverb. So we will learn about comparison of adverb. So student, you will learn in previous class what is adverb. An adverb is a word that tell how an action is done. So we will learn here comparison of adverb. So there are 3 degree of comparison in adverbs. Here is given the positive, the comparative and the superlative. Here is a 3 comparison of adverb. Now what is positive? Now positive is a singular, not comparison anyone, and comparative is a compared between 2 person and 2 things, and the superlative a comparison between among more than 2, more than 3, and there are syllable adverbs uses er uses in the comparative form, uses in comparative form, and est in the superlative form. So the adverb form, they are comparatives and superlative using er and est and more and most. Adverb that in ly use the words more and most to form their comparatives and superlatives. So let's see in detail. So student, as you know that er in the comparative degree, er in the comparative degree and comparative form, and est in the superlative form. Er comparative form and est in the superlative form. So let's see in this chart how to change positive into comparative and comparative into superlative. See this chart so you can understand better. So here is yearly, so it is a positive degree, so it's a comparative degree earlier. So if word end with ly, any word end with ly, we change into comparative, replace ly, then add ier. Replace ly and add ier. So here is earlier, and superlative degree it's earliest. Here is est. So in superlative degree we make its est. Fast, faster, here is er. Fastest, here is est. As here is given in the chart, you try this, understand. Hard, harder, here is er. Hardest, est. High, higher, highest. Late, later, latest. Loud, louder, loudest. Near, nearer, nearest. Soon, sooner, soonest. So student, here is next rule. Adverb which end in ly, or have 3 or more syllables, each form the comparative with more. Comparative, when we make comparative degree with adding word before more to make comparative degree, and make superlative adding word before most. See, most. So let's see in detail. second rule, when we make comparative, adding before word more, and we make superlative adding before word most. So angrily, so here is more before word of adverb, more angrily. Here is most angrily. Brightly, more brightly, most brightly. Dimly, more dimly, most dimly. So students, I hope you all understand by this chapter. So thank you.